I'm going to walk you through a new garage installation using Florida Paint's Polyurea primer system. This was a new garage, so we didn't need to degrease, but we did have a surface grinded before we began. So we're using our pre-pigmented Polyurea primer in the light gray with our Part B activator. We want to take our Part A, drill mix it for 2 minutes to get the consistency right. Then we take our Part B, take our Part A, mix those for 2 to 3 minutes. Now comes the installation. We want to get this product on the floor as quickly as Polyurea will start to cure in the bucket. We use a squeegee and roller to apply the product to the surface and then begin to flake. Our choice in this garage was abdominal with a full broadcast system. Then we will let that Polyurea dry for about 2 to 3 hours before scraping the flakes and vacuuming the excess. Next, we want to use our polyaspartic for the top coat. We will take our Part A and Part B, put them in a clean mixing bucket and hand mix for 45 seconds to a minute. With this product, we only put what we need on the floor and leave the rest in the bucket. Polyaspartic likes the bucket, so it will give us longer working time. We apply the polyaspartic with the squeegee and back roll. Let that fully cure for about 24 hours for foot traffic and 72 hours for vehicles. And that is how you install a new Polyurea floor with Florida Paint's Polyurea primer.